Hello, dear viewers. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the world of credit repair business transactions, the shift to advanced e-commerce platforms? Join us for an insightful exploration of credit repair industry, backed by over 20 years of unparalleled expertise. Discover the power of our strategic partnerships with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, Wells Fargo, and more. With a track record of assisting over 50,000 merchants, we take pride in our commitment to domestic U.S. support, available 24/7. Uncover how we stand ready to assist you whenever you need us, redefining the landscape of credit repair solutions. But before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below to let us know your thoughts. The rise of e-commerce platforms in credit repair business. E-commerce platforms provide credit repair businesses with a scalable and user-friendly infrastructure to showcase their services, engage with customers, and process payments efficiently. By embracing e-commerce, credit repair businesses can overcome geographical limitations and tap into a global customer base. Understanding high-risk payment gateways for credit repair businesses. High-risk payment gateways cater to the specific needs of credit repair businesses, offering secure and reliable payment processing solutions. These specialized gateways understand the unique requirements of the credit repair industry and can mitigate risks associated with chargebacks and regulatory compliance. Leveraging online credit card processing for credit repair transactions. By offering customers the ability to pay with credit cards online, credit repair businesses can provide a convenient and widely accepted payment method. Credit repair businesses should partner with payment processors that specialize in high-risk industries to ensure seamless and secure online credit card processing. Payment gateway solutions for credit repair businesses. Payment gateway solutions tailored for credit repair businesses should incorporate features such as secure data transmission, fraud detection tools, and customizable payment options. By partnering with payment processors experienced in high-risk industries, credit repair businesses can access specialized payment gateway solutions that meet their unique requirements, mitigating risk and compliance consideration. It is essential for these businesses to partner with payment processors that understand the regulatory landscape and offer tools to mitigate risks effectively. Compliance tools, fraud detection mechanisms, and chargeback management solutions can help credit repair businesses maintain regulatory compliance and protect their revenue streams. The future of e-commerce payment processing for credit repair businesses. Advancements in technology, such as mobile payments, digital wallets, and alternative payment methods, present new opportunities for credit repair businesses to enhance customer experiences and capture a larger market share. Additionally, emerging technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, can assist in fraud prevention and provide insights into customer behavior, supporting credit repair businesses in making informed business decisions. For cutting-edge payment solutions, be sure to visit TouchSuite's website. With over 20 years of trusted experience, they are your go-to payments provider, serving startups to global brands worldwide. Goodbye for now, and thank you for joining us today.